Hey humans, hey humans, hey humans, I really, really wanna be your friend. Hello humans! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Hello! Guys, how are you doing today? It's been forever. I know, it's not been forever. You guys just saw me last week, but it's been forever. And the reason why I said it's been forever is we are currently in Boston. Where are my Boston people? Hey, where are my Boston people? Hey, where are my Boston people? Guys, Boston has been a vibe. Today is currently day 3 in Boston, and you guys know how we do it. I'm going to rewind you guys back to day 0 and day 1 and day 2, but before I do that, let me catch you guys up real quick. Boston is beautiful. For everybody that doesn't know, because it took me a moment, like I learned this like 2 years ago. I thought Boston was a state 2 years ago, but now I know better. Massachusetts is the state. Boston is a city in Massachusetts. So yeah. Today being day 3, we've been here for 3 days, and today is the first time I have full energy. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys, you know the way we do it. I'm going to show you what happened in the past couple of days since we've been here, leading to day 3, because I've been a little bit like, it's that time of the month, guys, and I didn't know it was gonna knock me like out. But I've been knocked out for the past couple of days. We've been sleeping. We haven't been anywhere in Boston. Like literally, the Boston International Airport is just a few minutes away from the hotel we're staying. So literally, we went from the airport to the hotel, and we've been in the hotel like majority of our time. Like so I feel like let me give you guys like little information. Okay, so why? And when I say we, it's me and Baby J in Boston. So me and Baby J, why are we in Boston? We came because you guys met my lover. If you guys haven't seen my wedding video, our wedding video, I don't know, like I just have so much energy. If you guys haven't seen, to the new subscribers, if you haven't seen I am Baby J's wedding video, I definitely recommend you go watch that, because you need to meet my lover. She's the singing lady, okay? So for everybody that's seen our wedding video, you remember my lover Nafisat. Yes, she's here in Boston, so we decided to come visit her here in Boston because we haven't seen each other since the wedding. So me and Baby J flew to Boston to see her, and we've been here. Today's currently, today is Saturday. We got here on Thursday, and we've seen her, we've visited her, and we've been seeing every single day since Thursday, but we haven't really, like, we had activities planned. We were supposed to go to Harvard to go see Harvard University. I was very, very excited about that. We're supposed to do the city tour, the city ride. There's this bus that I was told the bus actually takes off from land, then goes into water, then back on land. I was really, really hyped. I was really, really excited for that. But since we've gotten here, like I said, it's that time of the month for me, and I've literally just been sleeping. Like, apart from like when I'm with my lover and my husband, when I feel so energetic, apart from that, I barely have energy to actually like do external activities. And more so, my lover, she just literally wants us to stay at her place, like just stay and not do anything. So yesterday, the full day of yesterday, I slept. Baby J and I were like in bed till like 2 p.m. and then we went to visit my lover. And then when we got there, she didn't want to go to Harvard. She didn't want to do the city ride. She said she's done it, and she just wants to stay in her room, and she wants me and Baby J to go out and tour the city. And we're like, no, we're not here to tour the city by ourselves. We're here to spend time with you. So we decided to stay indoors. The same thing we did on Thursday. We stayed indoors yesterday. We watched a Netflix movie, Forever. That movie is really, really good. And then we bought a lot of food, and we just stayed home, really. So, and then today I decided to like finally make this video for you guys so that you guys can see what we've been up to, which is not really much. This is the first time that I can remember in a long time that I'm in a new place and I haven't like gone everywhere. And it's been nice, really, like just resting. Like it actually feels like a vacation because we haven't done so much. We've been like relaxing and it's been beautiful. Baby J currently went downstairs to pick my lover. She's on her way to visit us finally. Since we've been here, she's finally coming to our hotel room to visit us. And I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys before like we get crazy with activities and everything. But yeah, so right now I'm going to show you guys what we've been up to since we left our place, since we left California. I'm just going to show you guys how the whole thing has been till today. And while you guys watch all that video and catch yourself up, I'm going to jump into the shower real quick and have myself sorted, and I'll be seeing you guys while you guys watch all those activities. I'm going to go shower and then I'll be right back to continue the video. Okay, enjoy. Gotta go. Thank you, baby. Hello.
Hello. How's it going? Okay, good. How are you?
Good, good. Do you know what you want? Hi, guys. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so we're currently at the airport right now. We rushed down here, but right now we have 1 hour 30 minutes wait time, and this airport they don't have any lounge, so we have to sit out there, and me and baby Joe, we have to find ways to entertain each other.
Welcome to John Wayne Airport. In order to enhance your safety and to avoid transporting dangerous items without your knowledge, please closely monitor and control your luggage and packages at all times. Unattended items may be confiscated. Please report any unattended or suspicious bags, parcels, or other items to law enforcement or airport personnel.
Hello, this is Orange County Supervisor Katrina Foley, representing fabulous 5th District. Welcome to Orange County. Enjoy Michelin star dining and unique local restaurants. Indulge in luxury at our world-renowned hotels, spas, and shopping centers. Enjoy live music, visual and performing arts. Ride horses and bikes on our open space trails. Go whale and dolphin watching, or visit our pristine beaches along more than 42 miles of scenic shoreline, all while enjoying our near-perfect weather. Thank you for visiting Orange County and for choosing John Wayne.
Attention in the terminal, Southwest Airlines has fully boarded Flight 3813 with service to Oakland, here at Gate 14. This is a courtesy of Beachmark Hannah Sandora. Angelina Savoy. Please make your way immediately to Gate 14 to board your flight.
Attention terminals, you confirm passenger on Alaska Flight 2071, service to Boise, please report back to gate 11 for an on-time departure. We're missing Caleb Childress. Something similar. Caleb, please report back to gate 11 for your on-time departure. You have 3 minutes. There's a close after those 3 minutes. Thank you.
You know, the phone could have still been recording.
Oh, you're still there? Okay.
Open the door. Did you open the door? No, I'm grabbing with my 2 hands. Did she
Okay.
Let's do this. Four or three, right? This is a nice place. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Oh no.
Wait. Oh, let me. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh my goodness.
It's so cold.
Wow. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, hi, baby.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry.
How are you doing?
This is actually a nice place. Guys, look at this. That's beautiful. We made it to our hotel room. Just giving you guys a very quick tour. This looks nice. Oh, let's see. I'm still gonna probably go through all this. Nice. Let's do a quick one. Oh wow, I'm liking the way it's looking masculine. Okay, baby J. Oh wow, baby, I like the way you have all your things arranged. And then, yeah. Ooh, look at that, guys. This is beautiful. Ooh, oh. And guys, like for the good part, for you know, like there's always that wow factor. So the wow factor this time around, guys, look at this. What? It's been raining all day, guys. Wait, let me turn off some lights so you guys can see what I'm talking about. How do I turn off this light? Let me turn off the light so you guys can see the beauty. Okay, guys, look at this. Oh wait, let me turn off that light. Just a moment. Let's see. Yes, let's see. Guys, look at the city. Boston is crazy. Guys, what? Boston is crazy. Look at all those skyscrapers. Guys, this is wonderful. Oh, like we're so high up in the sky. And then for another part, this opens up. Look at that. Wait, let me try to pull my phone out. This is very risky. Oh, guys. Wow. Okay, let's go back in. Yeah, okay. Oh, guys, so that's the view. Tomorrow we're gonna go do some tourist activities. Wow, that's beautiful. What's up there? I don't know. Well, yes, guys, so let's turn on the lights again. Let's put the curtain back in. Oh, come on. Okay, for privacy, and let's turn on the lights. What other light did I turn off earlier? Okay, let's turn on the lights. Let's see. Guys, look at this. Oh wait, let me turn off the lights. Just a moment. Okay, for privacy, and let's turn on the lights. What other light did I turn off earlier? Okay, let's turn on the lights. and let's turn on the TV. Come on. Yay. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna have a cozy night in, and see you in the morning.
Who I am, dude.
I'm sorry, what?
Wow. I thought I was always invisible to you.
I'm sorry, why am I being punished for not knowing you?
Well, because at one point in your life, I knew that your favorite color was green.
Oh.
And that you were Frederick Douglass in the school play. And you liked helmets, standouts, Daft Punk, and Buzz Lightyear.
Oh, you gave us
There's ranks.
Remember who I am.
I didn't realize that. Huh? Remember.
This is that view I got.
No, it's beautiful.
Morning.
Good morning. Let's go get breakfast, guys. Where do we go?
This one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm a high employee, so I
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll sit over there.
We also have the buffet if you want to look at the buffet first and then the choice, okay?
Thank you. Thank you, baby. This is pretty cool for a menu, like the way it is, and when you turn it like that. It's pretty cool. So let's order. I'm gonna take a video around, then I'll come back and come take the food. The eggs. And this pretty good. Yes.
What do you want?
I want this.
There's different sausage today.
Yeah. One is fine. One is fine.
Just for this one?
Yeah.
Already?
Two, please.
Just two?
Yes, baby. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
Yes, please. That's fine. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby. Thanks.
Yeah, but I would like the fresh bun. Not the, yeah, right there. Yay. Yeah.
That's it?
Huh?
French toast?
Yes, definitely.
Nobody.
Two. Can I have this one? That one. Yeah.
This one?
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby.
We'll have to ask the waiter for the
For the what?
one from yesterday. Okay, time to shower and pack. Okay, guys, I'm so tired and I don't even know why. Oh, though I know why. Can I have the ibuprofen, please?
Yes, baby.
Thank you, baby. I'm like, I don't know, just tired. And there, guys, welcome back. You guys saw everything that has happened so far in Boston, and yeah, so right. Not you looking at me. Oh, baby, we're matching.
Oh, you're matching.
Oh, okay. So guys, you've seen everything that has happened so far since we've been in Boston. We didn't do much, but we had a great time. Like, a great time was had. So yes, guys. So now I'm back to do the outro, and I have a surprise for you guys. You guys thought like this is the end of the trip, but no, the trip is just beginning. We're heading to another state right now. We're all packed and about to check out. You guys should guess what state we're heading to. This is part 1, and I'll be uploading part 2 next week. But before I upload part 2, I would like to know if you guys can guess where we're headed to. So please leave a comment down in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you guys real soon. Thank you as always, guys. Thank you. I do really appreciate every single one of you. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you in part 2.